Child development and pedagogy. First, a creative learner refers to one who is very talented in drawing and painting, highly intelligent, capable of scoring consistently good marks in tests, good at lateral thinking and problem solving. Individual learners differ from each other in principles of growth and development, rate of development, sequence of development, general capacity for development. Every learner is unique means that no two learners are alike in their abilities, interests, and talents. Learners do not have any common qualities, nor do they share common goals. A common curriculum for all learners is not possible. It is impossible to develop the potential of learners in a heterogeneous class. Fourth, constructivism as a theory focuses on the role of imitation, emphasizes the role of the learner in constructing his own views of the world, emphasizes on memorizing information and testing through recall, emphasizes on the dominant role of the teacher. Fifth, development of concept is primarily a part of emotional development, intellectual development, physical development, social development. Sixth, heredity is considered as a social structure. Dash social structure: primary, secondary, dynamic, static. Seventh, the most intense and crucial socialization takes place throughout the life of a person, during adolescence, during early childhood, during adulthood. Helping learners recapitulate or recall what they have already learned is important because it is a convenient beginning for any classroom instructions. Relating new information to prior knowledge enhances learning. It is an effective way of revising old lessons. It enhances the memory of learners, thereby strengthening learning. Ninth, according to Piaget, during the first stage of development, birth to about 2 years age, a child learns best by using the senses, by comprehending neutral words, by thinking in an abstract fashion, by applying newly acquired knowledge of language. 10th, theory of learning, which totally and only depends on observable behavior, is associated with dash theory of learning: cognitivist, developmental, behaviorist, constructivist. 11th, multilingual character of Indian society should be seen as a hindrance in teaching learning process, a resource for enrichment of school life, a challenge to teachers' capacity to motivate students to learn, a factor that makes school life a complex experience for the learners. 12th, a creative answer requires direct teaching and direct questions, content based questions, open ended questions, a highly disciplined classroom. 13th, diagnosis of the gaps in the learning of students should be followed by appropriate remedial measures, intensive drill and practice, systematic revision of all lessons, reporting the findings to learn and parents. 14th, which of the following statement cannot be considered as a feature of learning? Learning is a process that meditates behavior. Learning is something that occurs as a result of certain experiences. Study of behavior is learning. Unlearning is also a part of learning. 15. Self-regulation of learners refers to their ability to monitor their own learning, creating regulations for students' behavior, rules and regulations made by the student bodily, self-discipline and control. Which of the following does not reflect teaching for understanding? Ask students to explain a phenomena or concept in their own words. Teach students to provide examples to illustrate how a law works. Help students see similarities and differences and generate analogies. Enable students to memorize isolated facts and procedures. 17th, which of the following statement is true about learning? Errors made by children indicate that no learning has taken place. Learning is effective in an environment that is emotionally positive and satisfying for the learners. Learning is not affected by emotional factors at any stage of learning. Learning is fundamentally a mental activity. Human development is based on certain principles. Which of the following is not a principle of human development? Continuity, sequentiality, general to specific, reversible. The main purpose of assessment should be to point out the errors of the learners, to measure the achievement of learners, to decide if a student should be promoted to the next class, to diagnose and remedy gaps in learning. 20th, centrally sponsored scheme of integrated education for disabled children aims at providing education opportunities to children with disabilities in regular school, special school, open school, blind relief association school. 21st, which of the following is not a sign of reading difficulty among young learners? Difficulty in letters and word recognition, reading speed and fluency, understanding words and ideas, spelling consistency. A teacher wants to gifted children of her class to achieve their potential. Which of the following should she not do to achieve her objective? Teach them to enjoy non-academic activities, teach them to manage stress, segregate them from their peers for special attention, challenge them to enhance their creativity. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of intrinsically motivated children? They are always succeeded, they enjoy doing their work, they display a high level of energy while working, they like challenging tasks. Which of the following is not an appropriate tool for formative assessment? Assignment, oral questions, term test, quiz and games. 25th, learners should not be encouraged to ask many questions as possible, both inside and outside the class. Actively interact with other learners in group work. Participate in as many co-curricular activities as possible, memorizing all the answers to questions which the teacher may ask. Irfan breaks toys and dismantles them to explore their components. What would you do? Never let Irfan play with toys. Always keep a close watch. Encourage his inquisitive nature and channelize his energy. Make him understand that toys should not be broken. The statement men are generally more intelligent than women is true, may be true, shows gender bias, is true, different domains of intelligence. Understanding the principle of development of a child helps a teacher in identifying the social status of the learner, identifying the economic background of the learner, rationalizing why the learner ought to be taught, effectively catering to the different learning styles of learner. 29. Christina took her class for a field trip, and after coming back, she discussed the trip with her student. It may be connotated as assessment of learning, assessment for learning, learning for assessment, learning of assessment. The statement, an important precondition for the proper development of a child is ensuring his her healthy physical development, is untrue, as physical development does not affect other domains of development in any way. May be incorrect, as development varies from individual to individual. Is true, because physical development occupies the topmost place in the sequence of development. Is true, because physical development is interrelated with other domains of development.